Are you looking for a career in the motorsports industry but haven't found the right spot yet? Borowski Race Engines could be the place for you.
1,231 horsepower. You're just getting tuned in. You're just getting tuned in. Borowski Racing Engines. The only way to go.
We make some of the finest engines in the world. We have state-of-the-art CNC machinery, and we've been recognized by Engine Builder Magazine, Race Engine Builder of the Year in 2018. Borowski Race, you'd have the opportunity to broaden your skills, whatever they may currently be it dyno tech, engine tuner, engine builder, or CNC machinist, and encompass all of these other skill sets, because we're all about cross-training. We just received Will County, Illinois' Business Leadership of the Year Award for our employee training programs. Borowski Race Engines offers competitive wages, big company benefits, but you'd be part of a small team that works tight together and gets things done. Sound like this could be the place for you? Use the link provided to upload your resume and take an online assessment that'll help us figure out if you'd be a good fit here at Borowski Race Engines. Look forward to working with you.